I did not make a video to show my prediction of the market, but I witnessed a mysterious force that was dominating everything. Price fluctuations will affect your trading ideas and inner emotions. If you are profitable, you can ignore what I said. If your account is losing money, then you need to face it calmly. I give you 2 suggestions. The first is not to add positions for losses. The second is to believe in the power of the market, do not oppose it. Let's go back to the source to understand the outcome of the price movement. I will keep you updated. Please subscribe to my channel.